Namaste. Welcome back to Pandit Paithani. Today we will see the colors of Maharani Paithani in little lower range. In the previous video we have seen the color of Maharani Paithani in higher range, in the premium range. Now we will see the same color, similar color in the little lower range saree. So this is our first color, navy blue color with red border. Have the grand Maharani pallu, similar pallu to that previous video, but this is a little in lower range. Lots of customers like the previous video, but some want this same saree in the lower range. This is perfectly for that customer. This is Maharani pallu with Meena Butti contrast border. This also have the all over booty. So this all over booty, and this Maharani pallu, and with this contrast blouse piece. In the last video all the sarees have the running blouse piece. In this video all the sarees have the contrast blouse piece. This is our second color, Maharani pallu Meena Butti with dark sky blue, blackish sky blue color. This is wine color with red border. All the sarees have the all over booty like this. All have Meena booties. This is sky blue with red border. Actually this is little mixed with the violet, not the proper sky blue. This is sky blue and little violet mixed color. Dual shade color this is. This is the proper Maharashtrian color. Pure bottle green with fresh red combination. In the bottle green color, most of customer like the Meena Butti, because what happened in the Meena Butti, this looks like fantastic Maharashtrian color. The next color is red with orange border. This is looks like self combination. In the lots of color, what happened, contrast combination is there, but some customer looks like similar combination they want. Then this is the for that customer. This is red with orange combination. Not so much contrast in the color, but this is also rich color. So this is also uncommon color, unique color. This is chiku grey with red combination. Most selling color of the year 2021. Also have the Maharani pallu Meena Butti, but this color is very nice actually. When you wear it in the function or the light, it's look very rich. Very classic combination this is, and the shine of the color is amazing. Like this, see. So this is our second booty, star booty. This is have the same Maharani pallu, but the booty is changed. Some customer wants the big booty, so this is for that customer. This also have the all over full booty with Maharani pallu. Only booty change is there. Then the pallu border is similar, only booty is changed. This is the star booty and that is the Meena booty. This is also traditional color of Maharashtra, navy blue with red combination. Also have the Meena Butti all over the saree. If you like any color, please take a screenshot of the saree and send us on the description number. Our number is in the description. Please send WhatsApp on that number. See, this is not the bottle green. This is actually dark Rama green. See the color properly. This is not proper bottle green. This is the dark Rama green color. This is one more pista shade. See, this pista is different. The shine of this pista is different, and our previous pista is this. So both are different color. This is looks like Firozi shade. This is looks like parrot shade. So both are the different color. If you want to purchase the pista color, then think about it. Both pista are there. This is Firozi pista and this is parrot pista. See, this is also different green. This This is bottle green with red. So this is proper sky blue with red combination. In the downside we see the sky blue and violet mix. This is the proper sky blue with red combination. This is navy blue with red border in the star booty. Downside we see the navy blue with red in the Mina booty. This is in the star booty. Continue see the video because we have the surprise in the last few minutes. Because this is the contrast border, in last few minutes we will see the self colors and also silver zari we will see. So this is also pista different shade. This is magenta wine color with red border. Also have the Maharani pallu and Mina butti all over the sari. So this is the first surprise for you. This is the tissue pattern actually. This is also Pandat special. In the previous sari what happened? The silk by silk weaving is there. In this sari, this is the zari. Warp is the silk and the weft is the zari. See, shine is there. This is off-white with green combination. So here Mina booty is there. Green booty, green pallu and green blouse piece. See, this is off-white with black. This is also tissue. In the tissue what happens? Some shine is there. When you go through the flashlight or go through the function, then it's see. Color is very nice. See, this is tissue in red border. Red booty all over the sari. The shine of this sari is very exclusive actually. This is Ananda color with red border. Pure Ananda, violet and sky blue mix with red border. Also have the all over booty. This is red and Rani mix color with green border. This is also nice color, brighter color we can say. Fresh Gulbakshi color, in the Marathi we can say fresh Gulbakshi color. Green border and all over booty. This is blue and Rama mix with red border. This is also nice color. Shades of two colors, blue and Rama green. This is also superb color. Actually rare color this is. You did not see anywhere this color. Uncommon and unique color this is. White with black combination. See. This is also Mina booty. This is violet with red border. We see navy blue downside. This is not the navy blue. This is the violet. Actually, navy blue is darker than this color. Like this. See. This is the navy blue. This is the violet. So this is parrot and Rama mix with red border and star booty. If you like any color, any sari and you want to inquire the sari, our number is in the description. Please call us or WhatsApp us the sari. Then we can show you the details of the sari and the price of the sari. See, this is also unique combination. Very unique combination this is with light pink border. This is magenta wine with Mina booty. All the saris have the all over booty. See, this is the cross color with green border. We see this cross color in red border. This is with green border. The pallu of the saree is green, the blouse of the saree is green, and the border is green. And the color is very uncommon. Blue and green mix. So this is the pure Paithani color. Brinjal color we can say in English, but in the Marathi tradition, in the Paithani history, we can see this is the Paithani color. Pure Paithani color with red border. So this is very unique color, we can say. This is light baby pink with orange mix with red border. This also have the Meena Butti, and this is actually cross shade. You can see here. This is cross shade, dual shade mix in this color. This is pista color with red border. See the full video. Actually, one surprise is there after few minutes. So this is the mustard with pink border. Actually, this all are the dark color. This is very sober color and very rich color. This is mustard with pink. This is also dual shade color. So this one third butti, peacock butti. Same pallu, Maharani pallu, but this is in peacock butti. See. This also all over the saree. All the sarees have the all over butti. See, like this. Full saree butti with Maharani pallu. This is one more Dukchao color. This is parrot and sky blue mix. Dukchao color we can say, dual shade color. This is Chandrakala. In the Paithani tradition, the black color we say Chandrakala sari. This is Chandrakala sari with red border. In the traditional Meena Butti all over the sari. Very beautiful color. This is very nice color. This is one more beautiful combination. Lata Didi's favorite combination. White with red combination with all over Meena Butti. Very beautiful color this is. This is pista with pink border. With pink pallu. Star butti all over the saree. So this is also very hatke color we can say. So this is the black combination with gold color. So, classic combination this is. When you wear the saree, it's look very rich. This is white with green combination. So three combination we see in the white. First green, then red, then black. Then all combination in the white are available in Pandar. See, this is Firozi parrot mix pista shade, but little lighter pista shade. This is sky blue and Rama mix with red border. This is also nice combination. Classic combination this is. This is red Rani mix with blue border. This is previous color red Rani mix with green border. If some want another border in the same red Rani mix, we call it Gulbakshi shade. This is Gulbakshi shade in blue combination. So this is the pure Maharashtrian color, but little darker color. This is. We see the pure bottle green color. This is darker than bottle green. Dark shade of bottle green. Some customer wants dark color bottle green. So this is perfectly for that customer. Very dark bottle green combination. This is. This is also nice color. This is shade of the blue, but this is blue and green mix. Duchao shade. This is very nice color combination. This is orange and Rani mix with green combination. This is wine color with parrot color border. Have the peacock booty all over the saree. So like this, very beautiful color combination and very unique combination. This is so this is maroon with Firozi parrot border mix. This is also unique combination, we can say. In the border, we all regularly see red, green, violet border. This is uncommon, something uncommon. This is Firozi and parrot border mix with maroon wine color, and the pallu is also looking rich in this color. This is one more Duchao color with orange border. See, this is also nice combination. This is Rukmini color, blackish sky blue with Meena booty. So we see magenta wine previous. This is the Rani wine color with red combination. This is more shiny than magenta wine. Actually what happened, magenta wine, this is magenta, blackish magenta, this is blackish Rani. So this is Rani wine and that is magenta wine. So this is surprise for you now. This is in silver zari. Most of customer wants the silver zari sari. So we see the golden zari, we see the tissue, and this is the silver zari sari. Silver zari paithani. Actually Maharani paithani with the silver zari pallu. Have the all over peacock booty. This is most women's favorite, black with black combination. Very classy saree. This is very classy. Looking very rich and very fantastic saree. See, black with black combination with all over peacock booty and with silver zari. So this one, this is actually self combination. Most of customer wants now the self combination. This is dark sky blue with dark sky blue combination with the star booty. This is also all over booty saree. This is wine with peacock booty. This is also nice combination actually. And looks very rich. When you wear the sari, it's look very beautiful. So this one, dark green with dark green combination. This is in the contrast combination. Dark sky blue, blackish sky blue with red combination. This is also in silver zari. See, this is wine with wine combination star booty. In the downside we see the wine with wine combination in the peacock booty. This is in the star booty. Now this is bottle green with green combination. This is also nice color. Now this is Rama green with red combination. All the sarees now in the silver zari. So this is green with green in golden zari. If you don't want the silver zari, then this is in the golden zari. navy blue with red in silver zari. This is also nice color actually. Maroon wine with red combination. Very beautiful combination this is. And main thing is all the sarees have the all over booty. The important thing is all the sarees have the all over booty. Then this is green with red border in silver zari. And our last color is Rani wine with red border in silver zari. So this also have the all over booty. All the sarees have the all over booty. See. So today we see all the colors in the Maharani Paithani, in the golden zari and silver zari, also in the peacock booty, star booty and Mina booty. If you like any sari, please take a screenshot of the sari for order and send us on the WhatsApp. Our WhatsApp number is in the description box. Thank you so much for watching our full video. Please like the video, share to your friends and subscribe our channel for more video like this. Thank you so much.